Hi everybody, this is Kevin Solecki from Carnegie Accordion Company. I'm here with my good friend Garrett Titano. He's going to be demonstrating a beautiful button box that he has right here. It's a Melodija Menges Slovenka 3 button box accordion. It's in the keys of B flat, F, and C. There are 34 keys on the treble side and 11 buttons on the left side. Garrett's going to play a song for you and then go through each key in and out so you can hear what it sounds like. All yours, Garrett. Great job, Garrett. Let's hear all those buttons. Thank you very much. Again, this is Garrett Titano, and I'm Kevin Solecki. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to hearing from you.